A lot of you have requested me to give a tour of my room at Harvard, and so far I've always turned down that request. But today is the day. I finally gave in, and today I will provide you a 5-minute one-shot tour of my room and my house at Harvard, which is Eliot House, the house where I spent the last 3 years almost. It's crazy that my time here at Harvard is ending, and I figured it would be a nice memory to have a good video coverage of where I spent the 3 most wonderful years of my life. So yeah, sit back and enjoy. If you're new to my channel, I'm Seeam Shahid Noor. I am a senior at Harvard studying applied math. I generally make videos on how to get into top universities with a focus on undergrads. If you want those videos, the link to the playlist on how to get into top university has been provided in the description. And if you're here just to watch my dorm plus house tour at Harvard, then let's go for it.
In the distance, you can see Eliot House, where I live. And beside it is Kirkland House, where Mark Zuckerberg used to live. And finally, on our right is Winthrop House, and I really have nothing cool to say about this house. Okay, let's head towards Eliot. At Harvard, when you complete your first year, everyone is put into one out of the 12 houses. 9 of them are close to the river, are called river houses, and 3 of them are called quad houses. Eliot is a river house, and that is the Eliot Tower. Previously, before housing was a lottery at Harvard, people could choose their own houses. At that time, somehow all of the rich people chose Eliot, and that's why if you look Eliot up, you'll see that Eliot is called more Harvard than Harvard. The green doors that you see beside you are different entryways of Eliot, and a person in Eliot is usually assigned to an entryway. This is the entrance to Eliot, and all of the entrances are protected by an ID scan enabled security system so that just anyone can't get in. Let's scan our way in. This is a random person that I don't know. And that is the Eliot Dining Hall. I love the Eliot Dining Hall. It's so beautiful. God, I will miss it here. That is another entryway. And if you step outside the archway, you can see our beautiful courtyard. That is the entryway where I live. Yeah, take a moment to take it all in. It's filled with snow and it's beautiful. But I won't take the normal entrance to our entryway. I'll take another entrance, which is a detour through the basement. So now we'll head towards the basement, where I will show you a few things. Let's go down. Honestly, this has been quite fun to shoot. I never thought it would be this fun. The basements have all type of paintings and random things people drew, and that is the laundry room. And this is called the grill, where people relax, watch movies, play billiard, eat food and whatnot. And through that grill you have access to the mail room, where you receive letters and just random mail. This is the mail room. And finally, this is an entrance which leads to our entryway indirectly. Yeah, this is one of those places where you're gonna die if this is a horror movie. Cool painting right here. Actually, that was a picture. My bad. Now it's time to go upstairs. And yeah, we're inside the entryway where I live. If you're confused as to where we are, well, remember the entrance we came in through? The entrance is right there. Yeah, we took a detour underground. And that is the courtyard, and that is the Eliot Tower once again. Let's head up to my room. My absolutely mediocre, non-decorated room. These are my friends living in the first floor. First floor as in ground floor if we compare to the international standard. And we are here. This is where I live. Seeam, Robert, and Richie. And now I'll use my key to get in so that you actually know that I actually live here. Yep, this is our room. This is the common room. Very plain, we didn't decorate this at all. Those are weights to work out, that's a workout bench, a fan to keep us cool, but we have a beautiful view of the river. I guess that's the perks of being in a river house, and I absolutely love the view. And finally, before that was a pull-up bar, and this is my room. Nothing special going on. That's a HEPA filter to clean the air. That's my workstation, my book, my laptop, my switch, and that is my view of the Eliot courtyard. God, I will really miss this. Starting to get a bit nostalgic. And that's my bed. This is where all the work happens. This is a book I've been reading, highly recommend it, and bye-bye.